I am not good enough. I could never do that. I am not smart enough, clever enough, confident enough, skinny enough. What would other people think of me? Have you ever caught yourself thinking or saying these things? I have many times, and so do people who I know. It is said that over 95% of people struggle with feelings of unworthiness, not feeling good enough, or fearing other people's judgments. Isn't that mind-boggling? In fact, when we live out of anxiety, limitation, self-doubt, or fear, how can we ever create the life that we truly desire? If you ask yourself the question, where will I be a year, 5 years, or 10 years from now if I continue to operate from these limiting thoughts and beliefs? Chances are that you may say the same place, when in reality you will most likely be in a worse place. Self-criticism literally sucks the soul, draining it of all love, joy, and happiness. What do we do then? We simply replace self-criticism with self-kindness. The time when we are patient and gentle with ourselves, when we treat ourselves the way we would someone whom we truly loved and cared for. I love to use this affirmation. I'm doing the best I can at every moment, and I'm learning and growing from each experience. Beautiful, isn't it? If you are grappling with limiting thoughts or beliefs, come join us this weekend for a very powerful online 2-hour Heal Your Life workshop. You will find the details in the bio. I would love to see you over the weekend. And remember, you are so much more powerful than you know.